Welcome back. Now that you know how an increase works, let's move on to round 2. For this round, we're making 6 increases, 1 in each stitch of the previous round. By the end of the round, you will have 12 stitches in total. Find your next stitch and insert your hook underneath the top loops. Make 1 single crochet. Now take your stitch marker and place it under the top loops of the stitch you just created. Go back into the same stitch and make another single crochet. That makes your first increase. Go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. Without moving away, insert your hook into the same stitch again and make the second single crochet. You now have 4 stitches left. Work an increase into each of those stitches to complete the round. And this is what round 2 should look like once all the increases are done. Let's count the stitches together, starting at the marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Insert your hook back into the working loop. Continue crocheting rounds 3 and 4, making 12 single crochets in each. And this is how your piece should look when you complete rounds 3 and 4. In round 5, make a single crochet followed by an increase, and repeat this sequence 6 times. By the end of the round, you'll have 18 stitches. Make the first single crochet into the first stitch of the round, and mark it with a stitch marker. Then make an increase into the next stitch. Here you've completed the first sequence for round 5. Let's do another one. Insert your hook into the next stitch in the round and make a single crochet. Then go to the following stitch and make an increase. Continue crocheting 4 more sequences until you reach the end of the round. And this is how round 5 should look when completed. The stitch count should have gone up to 18, and your piece looks a little wider. And let's count the stitches together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You've completed the 5th round of the body. Continue crocheting the rest of the rounds for step 7 of your plushie. This is how the body should look once you complete the first 11 rounds.